Yes. Like this, you can do a field mapping. End date, it is required for contract rule, as you can add end date and you can update it. So you can see the required fields. You can see required fields with a red color in this. And after mapping the fields, you can preview the fields. Then you'll get an insert option. You can insert the records from the workbench also. Makes sense? Any doubts on the workbench? So simple, you can go to insert, data. In the data, whatever the operation you want to perform, you can perform that operation with the workbench. Along with the workbench, we'll be having another tool called data loader.io. So remember, whenever you see whatever the operation we are performing here, just we are performing insert operation, right? So coming to the insert operation, the records is more than enough. Whereas whenever you want to perform update operation, prior updating the records, whatever the records you want to update, you should fetch that record ID. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, to fetch the record IDs, what you have to do is initially you should go to SQL query from here or inspector, and you can download the records with the record IDs. Okay, let's suppose if I want to download the records which are present in Salesforce, we downloaded it, right? I think we copied it here. So whenever you want to update a record, you should have this record ID. Without this record ID, you won't be able to update the record. Make sense?
Yep.
Yes. Perfect. That is the thing you should remember. And workbench, I think you might be clear with this. So from here also, if you want to export the data, you can go to query. You can go to SQL query. And here it is a much easier one. So bulk CSV, if you want to download the data in the form of CSV file. And object you can choose here. After choosing the object, you can choose the fields here. So whatever the fields data you want to query, you can choose those fields here. So here we can click on plus symbol after choosing the field. Then next, you already it is downloaded, I think. Okay. So here, I think I click on next. That's why it is taking. It is giving me file. So 367 records. So there is giving all those records. Based on the condition which I specified, I got few records. So sorry, I downloaded query, not the data. So records here. Here we should click and we can download the CSV file data. You can see the data here. So just we downloaded record IDs. So you can see all the record IDs here. Like this, you can export the data. Better use a Salesforce inspector to download the data. Okay.
Okay.
The next another tool is dataloader.io. It's an external tool. If you want to insert more and more records, you should purchase a license for this. Whereas up to 10,000 records, I think it will be free for any account. Okay. So for a quick update or quick insert or quick operations, quick data migration, you can use this tool as well. So how much extent you have free access, you can use till that extent this tool. And it is a tool which is very similar to dataloader.io. Okay. So if you have any custom Salesforce domain, you can use it. And whether you want to use the production or sandbox, you can select it. As we are going with production as of now, login. So it's as everything is integration, that's why it will ask allow access. So you can see. So here also you can see the videos, how to do each and every operation. What we can do with this basic import, export, and delete we can do. Okay. So work type, new task. If you want to create or import or export, you can click on new task. Which type of task you want to do? Import, export, delete. You can choose any one of these. So let's suppose if you want to do import, you can do import. And here coming to the import, which kind of import you want to do? You want to perform insert operation, upset operation, or update operation. So, and you can select the object here. After selecting an object, it will take you to the same page, like a mapping page, like a uploading CSV file page. Apply, upload CSV page. After uploading the CSV page, the next it will show you the field mapping page. The next here it is showing like all the fields mapped by default. Okay. Similarly, like if some field is mapped missed, you can map those fields. So here you can map with a record type. Record type dot developer name. Like this, you should perform a mapping. Okay, so you can see mapped fields here, unmapped fields here. So there's no unmapped fields. That's why you won't see anything. After that, you can click on next. Insert null values also if you want to insert. If not found, you can select this option. And you can click on next. This records will be inserted. Like this, you can use dataloader.io. Any doubts on these three tools? Data Import Wizard, Workbench, Salesforce data loader.io. The next we discussed Salesforce Inspector. Any doubts on these tools?
No, we are good.
No.
So here show all data, data export, data import. So if you want to use Salesforce Inspector, you can click on data import to import the data. So here also same thing. Which operation you want to do? You can select that operation. On which object you have to work? You can select that object. So from Excel sheet or CSV file, you can select that option. Paste that CSV file here. Copy paste that CSV file here. It will take batch size. So as it is running in asynchronous fashion, for each and every instance, how many records should insert? You can select that. Okay. After that, you can copy options, everything you can do. Import help, you can take up. Okay. So after copying the file, copy CSV file, paste CSV file here. You should paste the name of the file there. The next, you'll get copy CSV option. The options you'll see. After copying this, I will see, we'll copy paste that file. The file is opened, we won't be able to do that. Control C. Insert. I did not use this tool previously. Okay. Or repose.
Just copy Excel and paste here.
Complete Excel data, you're saying about?
Yes.
We'll do that now then.
Yeah. Copy that portion and see.
I think it will work now. Yes, it's taking like this. Good. So the next copy options, the next you'll be having several things. Copy to CSV. Copy CSV. After this, at the bottom. Invalid field type. Some field is not mapped. That's what it is giving. Contract. Skip. Think it is a lookup
You
field.
selected CSV, right? Select
Haha.
Excel.
Okay.
Excel option here.
Where?
Format.
Here only, right? You're saying about
For bit
where?
under the
Oh,
object.
okay. So I think we pasted the data. Okay, we'll paste it again. Nothing will change, no?
No, it's taken.
Ah, yes. Here it is taken. I think here we could do, we can do field mapping. Jantika contract, something it is showing. Field mapping it is taking. The hell. Field mapping, it's showing all the fields in a single place. How could see these? Let's suppose we click on import. We
No.
are able to modify the data and so forth. This action cannot be undone. Cancel. Actually, we should see the field mapping. I think where we should do that.
Yeah. Insert Excel. You just clear this one.
Here we are getting
Wait,
field
please
mapping
again.
option, but we are unable to see all the fields. So it's just it is showing the format. Gentica contract, some ID, and it is displaying this. Where could we do this mapping? Okay, leave it. It's not much important. I better you can use those two tools, Workbench, or you can go with the data loader.io. Okay, mostly preferably I'll use a data loader, but it is an external tool, right? At the times you can go with the Workbench. Though, like if you have a less amount of record, you can go with the data input wizard as well. Okay, makes sense.
Yes.
If you get a time, explore that data input wizard. Sorry, this Salesforce inspector as well. If I get a time, I'll check it and I'll let you know on this tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then have a great day. Bye bye. Tomorrow we'll start with the process automation concept.
Okay. You too. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Yeah.